Good morning. Today we will discuss visualization techniques chart. In this presentation, we will see the chart type. First type is bubble chart. Bubble chart is a graphical means of visualizing three variables in a two-dimensional graph and is therefore sometimes a preferred alternative to a 3D graph. So, to create bubble chart, we have taken one example to compare the number of billionaires in various countries. The table which is going to follow in the next slide provide a sample of 6 countries showing for each country the number of billionaires per 10 million residents, per capita income and the total number of billionaires. We can create a bubble chart using Excel to further examine these data. This is a given table. There we have 6 countries. For all 6 countries, we have data for billionaires for 10 million residents and per capita income and number of billionaires. For each country, we have data over here. Now, how to represent or how to present these data by using bubble chart in MS Excel. See, the same data we have taken over here. So, how to create this bubble chart using Excel, we will see. These are all the procedure to create bubble chart using Excel for further examination. These data, it is given over here. First, we will, in parallel, we will see how to create the bubble chart along with the algorithms. See, first step, select cells B2, B7. Here we will take B2 and B2, this one, and B7, D7, this one. Okay. So, almost we are going to cover all the data. Okay. Then, click Insert tab in ribbon. See, here we can go Insert. Then, insert Cater XY or bubble chart button. In the bubble chart subgroups, click the bubble button. See here, insert chart. There we can go scatter. Then here an option, all chart type. There you find out bubble. Here we have bubble. Click. Then we are getting subgroup. So this is a bubble group. So we have selected this one. Then if you do click OK, then this bubble chart will be created. So this is a bubble chart created using Excel for this given data. Here we have different bubble. Okay. So each bubble representing a country. The size of the bubble will represent the billionaires in 10 million residents. Now we can see how to give title for this chart as well as name for x-axis as well as y-axis. So first, before going to have anything, first with respect to this this layout, first you have to select this layout, then you can go to chart tools. Here we have design as well as layout. In design, if you want to do any changes, you can change it over here. In layout, if you select over here, there we have chart title. So by selecting this, you can give a title for this chart. So where you want to give? Either in center or above chart. If you want to give above chart, then you can click this one. So by that, you will be getting a text box. Here you can do changes. See, for example, I am giving ABC, for example. This is a title for this one. And same way, for x-axis you can give name, for y-axis you can give name. In the same way, first you select this, automatically the chart tools will be displayed. Under this, you have layout. So, design as well as layout. You select layout, then go here, axis title. Here you can take primary horizontal. There you have title below axis. You select it. Okay, select it, automatically it will be displayed over it. Text box will be created. So for this, you can here the title is given binary for 10 million residents. You can copy this. Okay, here you can paste it over here. By that, the title for x-axis will be created. The same way for y-axis, the same way for y-axis also. Step 6, axis title. Same way we can go here. For y-axis, the title is given the per capita income. So you can copy temporarily. Then you select this, go chart tool, layout. There you have axis title. See here you can take vertical. Okay. Vertical, it can be vertical title or rotate title. You can take rotate title. For example, there the text box is created. Now you can select this text box. You can do paste. So automatically y-axis name will be given. Now for this title, you have for this layout, this bubble chart layout, we have title name, we have axis name, we have y-axis name also. Okay. Now we can look at this line. These are all grid lines, horizontal grid lines. If you want to remove these grid lines, okay, again you can go here, select this, okay, go to layout. Here you have grid lines. Select this, then horizontal grid lines. This is horizontal is selected. Then you don't want, then you can click this. None. Do not display horizontal lines. So display automatically this will be moved. So this is given over here. Yeah. So the same way for vertical also you can remove it. So this is the layout for this given table which was created using Excel. If you want to give more informative chart, then you can have some more additional steps. For example, you can select this, go to layout, there you have data label. Yeah. Select this data label, there you have number of options. Straight away you can go to more data label option. Okay. So you will be getting like this. There you can see y value, x value and series name. See, these are all some values. So these are all y values. See here you have given check for y. So y values are given. Y values is the per capita income. So according to the per capita income, this label name is given over here. So with this you can refer this. You can refer this table. By that you can identify the country also. For example, 48,300 for US and 36,000. So 36,000 for UK. So like that you can identify the bubble for corresponding countries. Now if you want to give label for each and every bubble, then you can go here, select, okay, then data label, layout, data label. There you can come to more. Here we have series name. Okay, if you want to have x value also, you can click x. So automatically two values are coming over here. Now the two values will be here. You can see two values. Now if you want to separate these two values by a semicolon, go here separator. There you can give semicolon. Automatically the semicolon will be put out over here, will be given over here to separate this value. Yeah. Now if you want to give name for each and every bubble, okay, there you have series name. Select this, automatically series name will come here. See here, by doing editing work, you will be able to give name for this each and every. For example, this is 48,300. 48,300, it is for US. So here you can give US. So here label name is there, X value is there, Y value is also there. Okay. Like that, we can give for everything. See 49,300, it is a Hong Kong. 49,300 is Hong Kong. So here also we can select this label, we can edit this label Hong Kong KHK, like that we can give simple. Likewise, we can give name for each and every bubble, by that easily you can identify the bubble size based on the per capita income, and also uh, the residents. See, comparatively, Hong Kong is small country, and the population also very small with comparatively when you compare with America, US. So same way, the size will represent the country populations as well as per capita income. Okay. So you can give this goes okay. And the another one, the 12th, format data table task in deselect Y value label options or area or right click label positions. So if you don't want, for example, you can same way you can go here, layout, data label, there you can see you want to display right side or left side. Left side you want to display these details, you can select over here. If you select here, then all the values will be displayed in left side of the bubble. Okay. If you select right side, yeah, so all the values will come to right side of the bubble. Okay. So this label position will be selected. Next. Now, so the completed bubble chart in figure 3.23 enable, it is going to follow, enable us to easily associate each country with the corresponding bubble. The figure indicates that Hong Kong has the most billionaires per 10 million residents, but that the United States has many more billionaires overall. Okay. So why? Because Hong Kong has a much smaller population than the United States. From the relative bubble size, we see that China and Russia also have many billionaires, but that there are relatively few millionaires per 10 million residents in these countries, and that these countries overall have low per capita incomes. The United Kingdom, United States, and Hong Kong all have much higher per capita income. The bubble chart can be very effective for comparing categorical variables on two different quantities values. Here we have taken three different variables. Even if you want to take two variables, you can create the bubble chart. So this is the final bubble chart created using Excel. Here the table is available over here. Okay. So correspondingly, this bubble chart also created over here. This bubble chart, all the bubble chart have label. So here they removed the X values and Y values. Same you can also remove here. Layout, okay, data label. There you can go to more data label options. There you have Y value and X values. If you remove it, the values will be removed. Okay. So automatically you will get chart like this. This is bubble chart. So heat map we'll see in the next video.